Welcome to my video. I'm Dylan, and in this piece of content, we're going to conduct a comprehensive analysis of Ted's Woodworking to determine if the 16,000 project plans are really worth it. Follow me until the end of this video. First, the link to the official website is available in the video description for your convenience. The official website provides details about the product, so feel free to check if you have any questions after watching this video. Now, let's move on to what's included in Ted's Woodworking. The book Ted's Woodworking with 16,000 plans, which comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, making woodworking accessible to both beginners and experts. You don't need state-of-the-art tools, as you can use the simple tools you already have. In addition, the package offers a free DWG-CAD plan viewer, which is invaluable, allowing you to create and modify your own joinery plans. This software, purchased separately, would cost $100 but is included free at Ted's Woodworking. If you're interested in starting a home joinery business, Ted's Woodworking provides a guide that explains how even a complete beginner can become a successful professional joiner. You will also have access to 150 premium videos that offer a complete carpentry course suitable for beginners and that will help you become a professional carpenter. You can opt for the DVD version if you prefer not to rely on an internet connection. The package also includes full joinery guides, a bonus that accompanies the videos, which facilitate your learning process and are especially useful to you for new to the joinery. You will find numerous tips and tricks in these guides. In addition, you will receive a comprehensive list of the essential tools to become a professional joiner, an important resource to help you assemble the right equipment. Now let's discuss the projects. Ted's Woodworking contains an extensive collection of project plans covering virtually every project you can imagine. Chances are you have the project you're thinking of as well. Ted's Woodworking offers a 2-month money-back guarantee. If within 2 months you decide that Ted's Woodworking is not suitable for you, you can claim a 100% refund. There are no paperwork or questions asked, so you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. We've completed this video. If you have more questions or concerns, visit the official website. You will find all the information you need in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.